All right. Hey there, Kim. My name is Brandon, and I am with Sublime SEO Pro. And in this quick video, I'm going to give you 3 tips and tricks on how you can get your website bringing you more clients. Specifically, I'm going to show you how we can compare your website here to one of your top competitors in your area, air duct specialists. Now, forgive me if you guys focus mostly on HVAC. I'm just going based off of your website up here. It says air duct cleaning, Denver, Colorado. So these same principles will apply even if you focus more on HVAC, okay? So Dave had me go ahead and send this over, like I said, and you're probably wondering why the heck I'm even filming this for you in the first place. And it's simple. I realized a while ago that there are so many small business owners out there that are so busy running their business and taking care of their customers, they just don't have the time to learn how to make the internet bring them more customers. And I get this over and over. The only thing that's stopping them from going out and hiring somebody is they don't know who they can trust. They don't know who truly is an expert and who is not with this stuff. So what I've been doing is just sending out a quick video to some local businesses here in Denver, and I'm creating an attack plan for them and just giving it away for free. And some people take that info and they do it themselves. Some people call me back and say, hey, you know what, Brandon? I like you. I just don't have the time or know-how or capacity to do this. Can you help me? Whatever you decide to do is okay with me. My only goal is that you learn something from this video and that I can provide some value to you. So the first thing I want to talk to you about is content. So content is king when it comes to Google. The average website front page has 1,500 words on it. Okay, so this is a good starting point for you. Get yourself to at least 1,500 words on this homepage, if not 2,000. So I went ahead and just copied and pasted your content, and it shows that you have about 717 words on your front page. So that would be a great place to start. Now, what is in the content is even more important than the number of words. So you want to place what we call buyer intent keywords throughout your website. So these are keywords that people commonly type into Google when they're searching for a product or service that you can provide them, okay, such as air conditioning repair in Denver, AC technician in Denver, air duct cleaning Denver, Denver air duct cleaning. Those all have buyer intent behind them, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you your website analytics and compare it to your top competitor here, which is air duct cleaning Denver. This is the #1 organic search in Denver right now, and I'll also go through this here in a minute, the Google Map Pack. But what we want to do is go to Ahrefs. This is a paid tool that I use. You can find other tools that are free, but this will help me figure out kind of where you're at. So you guys have 18 keywords throughout your website roughly, and it's helping generate about this much traffic per month. Now, this number often underreports, so it may not be just 11 per month. It could be anywhere from 5 to 10 times more than this, but it's all relative, okay? So we're going to look at your keywords here. You got 18 of them, and we need to get you many, many more, okay? So these need to they need to be buyer intent keywords is what we call it. So this looks like it's not going to load, but let me go over to your competitor here. And this is showing that that they have 924 keywords, and it is helping them generate quite a bit more traffic. So what I would do is click on these keywords and see what they're using. So they've got duct cleaning Denver, Denver duct cleaning, air duct cleaning in Colorado Springs duct cleaning. These are all great keywords that get a lot of volume here. 400 searches per month, 500 searches per month, 600 searches per month. So they have a lot of buyer intent keywords. This one is not buyer intent, fiberglass lined air ducts, okay? But what you can do is if these keywords are working for them, they will work for you. So I would go through and figure out how many of these keywords you can place into your site and start ranking for these. So that way when people type these in, your website is getting flagged and it's pulling up your site more often than it would. Okay, so that's the first thing we want to do. So here are your keywords. It looks like here, AC tune-up checklist Colorado, air conditioner tune-up checklist, furnace tune-up checklist, dryer vent cleaning, that's a good one. Denver dryer vent cleaning. See, some of these are good. Air duct cleaning Castle Rock, But as you can see, you don't have that many. You just have one page here. So we need to get you a lot more. Okay? So that's the first thing. The second thing I want to talk to you guys about is what is called a backlink. So a backlink is anywhere another website links back to your website, driving traffic to you. So Google is like a popularity contest, and they want to see a bunch of trustworthy websites linking back to you. Okay? So you guys currently have 83 backlinks coming from 12 different domains. Okay? Let's look at your top competitor here. They have 1,100 backlinks coming from 195. So as you can see, they've got 1,100 compared to your 82. And between these backlinks and keywords, it's allowing them way more traffic per month than what you guys have. So again, same thing. If all these backlinks are enough to get them ranked at the top of Google, then it's enough for you. So what you need to do is just go in here and look at all their backlinks. Now, I do want to say not all backlinks are created equal here. You'll get a lot more power from Google if you link yourself to a website that is trustworthy and relevant. So what I mean by this is you want to link yourself to other HVAC companies, other duct cleaning companies, restoration companies, for example, possibly insurance companies, relevant, trustworthy sites that relate to your business. So you can't just link yourself to a Pizza Hut because Google knows that you are not in the food industry, and that won't get you any power. So for example, 28 best Colorado Springs HVAC furnace repair services. So you can just go in here and list yourself, create an account and link yourself to this website here. That would be considered a backlink. And if they've got all these backlinks and it's working for them, all you need to do is just outperform them with the same backlinks and then add even more than they have. So you can go through these and just list yourself into all these different these places and just get yourself way more backlinks. Okay, so that's the second thing I want to talk to you about. And the third thing I want to talk to you about is how to get listed in this Google Map hack. Okay, so this comes down to citations. So what a citation is anywhere you can list your business name, address, and phone number into a directory. So you need to figure out how many directories Action Air Duct are listed in, and list yourself in all of the same ones. And if they're in 250 directories, you need to list yourself in all the same ones as well as more than them. So put yourself in like 300, for example. Okay, so these are three ways that you can gain more online presence and get yourself ranked higher on Google. You can go ahead and get started on this yourself. The sooner you get started, the more business you guys will have coming in online. If you guys have questions or concerns or comments or need help doing this, I'm more than happy to help you guys. This is what I specialize in, and I'm happy to be here if you need that. Okay? Whatever you decide to do is okay with me. I just hope that you got some good nuggets out of this, and I'm looking forward to hopefully hearing from you guys. Thank you so much, Kim.